Hello, today I'll explain jaundice in cats in an easy to understand way. Jaundice is when cat's skin and eyes turn yellow. There are three main types of jaundice. First, there's a pre-hepatic jaundice. This happens mainly when red blood cells break down too quickly. If a cat isn't anemic, this type usually isn't likely. Common causes include drug poisoning, especially from acetaminophen, a painkiller. Other reasons include infections, immune system problems, or reactions to vaccines. Next is hepatic jaundice. This type occurs due to problems in liver itself. Common diseases include hepatic lipidosis, fat buildup in the liver. Cholangitis, inflammation of the liver and bile ducts. Lymphoma, a type of cancer. Feline infections. Peritonitis, FIP infections or poisoning. The third type is post-hepatic jaundice. This type is when bile can't flow from the liver to the intestines. The most common cause is pancreatitis, inflammation of the pancreas. Other causes include bile duct issues or tumors. When a cat shows jaundice, we usually perform an ultrasound exam to check up the liver, pancreas, bile ducts, and intestines. We also check blood clotting ability, PT, APTT tests, because jaundice can cause clotting problems. If there is a clotting issue, we treat it by giving vitamin K injections every 8 to 12 hours and checking regularly. To confirm the exact disease, we often do a biopsy. With an ultrasound, we can biopsy only the liver. Using laparoscopy, a small surgical camera, we can biopsy the liver, pancreas, and intestines, but usually only one spot in the intestines. With surgery, we can easily take samples from many places and also insert feeding tube if needed. Here's an example of treatment. A 4-year-old neutered male cat suddenly lost his appetite, and his intestine became sick. Tests showed inflammation with many lymphocytes, but lymphoma was ruled out. Treatment included vitamin B12 injections, easy to digest food, and a medicine called prednisolone. That's a clear explanation about jaundice in cats. Thank you for listening.